Hello and welcome to my office online. Today we are going to look at how to select objects in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Okay, now we are going to create our Venn diagram and we do some editing so that we do the selection and we see how it works. So this is my Venn diagram. I will say no outline. Yes, okay, no outline, and then I will change the outline to be a bit bigger. Okay, and then I will increase the size of the diagram. Good. Sorry, I can increase the size this way. So I'm going to insert a circle, and then that circle also I will duplicate it too. So I have this one. I will say no outline. Then I will change the outline to red, and then I will hold Control, then drag it to duplicate it to make it two circles. So I am going to bring text boxes. Okay, then here they are. You can also create your own text box, but for the sake of the video we may not go into that. So I'm going to bring one of these text box. I will duplicate it, control and then drag. So I will change it to you. Okay, now I will say you. So that is it. I will increase the size. Okay, then I'll push it a bit up. So this is a Venn diagram. Now we want to select all these ones at once, because if you want to select this way and then you click this one, the other one will be unselected, and then possibly you may have others that are overlapped, so you may not be select everything at once. So you may not be going to be able to select everything at once. So but you can come here, that is editing, on the editing group here. You can come there and then you click on select objects, then you stand anywhere, then you hold left click and hold, then you drag. So if you leave it, then everything is selected. So now you can come to your format tools, your formatting, and then group it to be one box. So now you can move it anyhow, and then nothing will be left. So let me undo this and then show you why we always want to do this one. So for example, if I want to move this one, you see it will leave the other ones behind. So if I also want to move this one, you see it will move in and then be leaving the other ones behind. But once I select it all, and then do this, okay, so it will not move, just like this one. So let's see, it will not move. So thank you for your time. Bye bye.